Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Grade 4 GIS Official. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine too, thank you. Today we are going to learn about odd and even numbers. Before we start our lesson, please raise your hand and let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. So, please watch this video until the end. When we work with whole number, it's important to know the difference between even and odd number. Even number, a multiple of 2. An even number is divisible by 2 without a remainder. For the example, 6, 22, and 108. Look at the number in one place or last digit. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. These are even numbers. The first number, 84. We know 84 has 4 in one's place. 4 is even numbers. So we can say 84 is even number. And then the second, 128. We know 128 has 8 in one place. 8 is even numbers. So we can say 128 is even number. And then how about 15,436? We know the one place is 6. 6 is even numbers. So we can say 15,436 is even number. The last, how about 4,127? We know the ones place is 7. 7, it's not include even numbers. So 4,127 is not even number. How about the odd number? It's not a multiply of 2. An odd number has remainder when divided by 2. For the example, 3, 27, and 131. Look at the number in one place or last digit. Odd number end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. You must remember. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Look at the numbers. 53. We know 53 has 3 in one place. 3 is an odd number. So we can say 53 is odd number. And then how about 417? We know 417 has 7 in one place. And 7 is an odd number. So 417 is odd number. And then how about 32,165? We know 32,165 has 5 in one place. 5 is an odd number. So we can say 32,165 is odd number. And then the last, how about 10,156? We know 10,156 has 6 in one place. 6 is not include the odd numbers. So we can say 10,156 is not odd number. Okay friends, let's we answer it together. Is the number even or odd? You can see the number. Is the number even or odd? You can see the ones place. So the answer is great, odd number. The second question, is the number even or odd? You can see the number. You must focus at the ones place of the number. So the answer is yes, good job, even number. And then the last question, is the number even or odd? Take a look. You must focus at the ones place of the number, so you can get the answer. The answer is yes, even number. I hope you are understand about even and odd numbers. Okay friends, there is a pattern to multiplying even and odd numbers. This information helps us to know the result of the calculation will be even or odd. You must remember, when we multiply even times even, the result will be even. And then, when we multiply even times odd, the result will be even. And then, when we multiply odd times even, the result will be even. And the last, when we multiply odd times odd, the result will be odd. Example 1, it's about multiplication of two-digit numbers. The question, find out the product of 52 times 15. As we know, when we multiply even times odd, the result will be even. We can answer it together. 52 as even number times 15 as odd number. We can start calculation from the ones place. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 has 0 as the ones place, so we can write 0 in here and put the 1 above the tens place of 52. We continue our calculation. 5 times 5 is 25. It's not finished. 25 plus 1 is 26. And then we continue our calculation. We make point in here below 0 and then multiply 52 by the 1 in the tens place of the 15. 1 times 2 is 2. We write 2 below 6. And then 1 times 5 is 5. We write 5 below 2. So we can add all together. 0 plus 0 is 0. And then 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we can get the answer. The answer is 780. And see, in the ones place, that is 0. 0 is even numbers. So even times odd, the result will be even. The last example, find out the product of 47 times 33. As we know, when we multiply odd times odd, it will be get the result is odd number. We can answer it together. 47 as odd number times 33 as an odd number too. We can start calculation from the ones place. 3 times 7, it's 21. We just write 1 as the ones place in here. And then put the 2 above the tens place of 47. And then we continue our calculation. 3 times 4 is 12. But it's not finished. 12 plus 2 is 14. And then we make point in here. We continue our calculation. 3 times 7 is 21. We just write 1 as the ones placed in here below 4 and put the 2 above the tens place of 47. And then we continue our calculation again. 3 times 4 is 12. It's not finished. 12 plus 2 is 14. So we can add all together. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. And we can write down 1 in here. So we can get the answer. 47 times 33 is equal 1551. We can see the one place is 1. 1 is odd number. So when we multiply odd times odd, we can get the result is odd number 2. Okay friends, maybe it's enough for today. Hopefully you are understand this is your exercise. Don't forget to do your exercise and submit your answer to your teacher class. Let's we say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.